All right, so I chose Quest 1 because I felt like it would give the ability to play around with a program that I fell in love with as a hobby called Blender. I love my kids, but being a foster parent can be extremely stressful. And being a foster parent takes up a lot of time, energy, and money. I don't get a lot of time to myself. When I do, I decided to mess around in my pastime of playing around with, and it's something that I could save and walk away from. So my creative space is Blender, if that makes any sense at all. It's not so much as my creative space is a designated area because, when you have children, let alone children in foster care who have experienced a bunch of trauma, you can't really tell them to go away. As much as you would love to tell these little kids, get the hell away from me, no, you can't do that. A lot of my time and energy is spent on them. So, again, going back to it, my creative space is Blender. So, I've got the computer desk and the handles and just a majority of the things that are on my desk. Ignore the garbage and the spoon because I can lie to you and tell you that I'm an extremely 100% clean person all the time, but I have 3 kids. So my time and energy is sometimes forgetting to take a napkin to the garbage and just leaving it on my desk for 2 days. Don't judge unless you have kids. In that point, judge because you a better parent than me.